back with another Kit Conspiracy kit for week number 2. And this kit is based off of Kaiser-Craft's Workshop collection. Now, we went ahead and threw in this sticker book, we being me and Janet, who is Galaxy Girl Creations here on YouTube. My sticker book is a little on the used side. I have a piece here and there that has been used, but most of them is like Father's Day type of stuff, and that's not what I was expecting when I first purchased this. However, I would like to bash this kit, but the front of it is very misguided. It definitely does not show you this when I first purchased it. I don't know if you guys can still get this or not. But anyways, I threw this in. I believe Janet did as well because she said she did find that book. And I keep tapping on it. I'm sorry. The next thing that we threw in our kit, again, they're all from Kaiser-Craft Workshop collection. This one here being Valiant is what it's called. And it's this really cool circuit board. And then on the other side is this beautiful suede looking print. Actually, it looks, in the video, it looks like a pegboard. So I apologize about that. That is not what it is. But all of their branding strips have little titles and phrases down at the bottom as well. But here is the up close print. It's got little gears in between little holes, but far away it does look like a pegboard. So that is really super cool. Didn't even think about that. Then next up we have 2 pieces of paper. They're identical. I just switched them over so you could see both sides. One is like this chain link piece and the other one's all these wheels and gears and things. Again, the title at the bottom, and this one is called Gallant, but it is the 2 of the same piece. I believe it's the only one that we have 2 of from the workshop, I believe. No, I lied. This one here. Next up, this one here, it's with this really cool blue on blue circuitry. I love it. And then of course, this almost like poster board peeling off type of deal. I love this, you guys. It reminds me of all the different, when they used to plaster on people's posters that this person's coming to town and that person's coming to town, and before we got all these fancy marquees that we have now. Anyways, this one is called Courageous, so that one's pretty cool. Again, it is just 2 sides, so we have 2 pieces of those. This one here is a newsprint, or I'm sorry, a ledger print, and then it's got a bunch of distress details all over it. And the other side is this collage print. This one's called Tough. So we have that piece. We also have the sticker sheet. It's alpha on one side and borders on the other, and then this can be cut up to be little banners and whatnot, or tickets, stuff like that. So that's a sticker sheet. Then we have this really cool holographic pipe going on. I love this print, so we picked out that, and I don't know if it has, this one's from Factory 42, not the workshop. Factory Photo 42, and it's called Pipeline. That is what that one is called. And then Janet and I both picked out a cement piece of paper. Mine is actually from a paper pad. I believe hers was double-sided. I don't remember. But we picked out 2 cement-looking papers. We just didn't have the exact identical paper in our collection. So that is another thing that we picked out. And then the last thing that we added to our collection, and it was kind of an afterthought because we thought that the collection, or the kit, was a little on the thin side as far as paper goes, especially compared to our last one, is we threw in this Textures 1.0 from Paper Rose, and we threw in all the papers. So there's 12 double-sided patterned papers, 2 of each design. However, I just went through mine and I am missing this basket weave right here because I already used it on another layout. So I no longer have that basket weave. So I only have 11 of the papers, and that is my fault. So here, really quickly, here's the front side, here's the back side, or vice versa, because there is no A and B sides to Paper Rose because they don't have a branding strip. Here's that basket weave that I am again missing. So I only have the 1 piece. Oh my gosh, that looks great in the camera. I'm sorry. And then it's white wood grain on the other side. I love these textures by Paper Rose. I love them. Look at this barnwood. Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. And then this burlap is beautiful. Absolutely. Again, it's the front and the back. Then I have this blue brick. Oh, it's so gorgeous. I love it. And then on the other side of the blue brick is this weathered white wood. We also have more weathered wood and then some really large wood print, or wood grain, I should say. Really large. And last but not least, we have this, it's almost like it was plastered over brick. And then this gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, dark brown. And then you could see that they're rounded panels. So that's even cooler, I think anyways, that it has that detail in it. So anyways, that is our kit that we are going to be using. I've also thrown in, now this is outside of Janet's kit, because we were, you know, I was throwing things in so that way I did not forget that I had them. But I also have this Factory 42 sticker sheet, so I have the leftovers of that. And I thought I had one other thing, but apparently that's it. So that is all that I have for this kit pulled out as of yet. I do plan on this. Now this one is definitely a little bit more my style as opposed to the last kit that we did. And so I will probably produce a lot more layouts based off of the fact that it's a little bit more, you know, me, rather than Rainbow Bright that we used last time, leftover day. All right, that is it for week two's kit, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the first layout. Yay!